Should I drive my car with the check engine light on? Sometimes. Sometimes. I'm going to tell you, seriously, when you can't drive it, it's going to let you know. Okay? It's going to be running rough. Probably won't go over, 20 miles an hour? So yeah, you can drive it with the check engine light on. However, that is an indication that something's going on with your engine and you really need to get it to a repair facility to get it diagnosed for you, okay? Because we don't want anything to happen to you or your car. You know, you don't want to, what's the word I'm looking for? You don't want that to cause something else to go wrong. You already got one issue going on. So as soon as you can, please, 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 yes, get that diagnosed. Can you drive your vehicle with the check engine light on? Yes, you can. However, when it's on and it's blinking, flashing, that's pretty serious. I would then make sure you get a tow truck. Get that thing towed. Don't try to drive it, all right? Thanks for asking, Ava. Take care.